Welcome everybody back to Steel City Break Room. We have again another order for hockeyfoo, 2 boxes, 13-14 rookie anthology hockey. We are on a roll. Let's keep it going. Starting off, Bobby Ryan, Varlamov, Mark Kundari, and a Reto Berra 4 of 5 jersey auto, looking nice. What a way to start. And Anze Kopitar. Ryan Johansson, PK Subban. Looking like another one coming up. Nail Yakupov rookie gear auto jersey. That is a 6 out of 100. Oli Mata, Mason Raymond, and Scotty Upshaw. Tyler Ennis, Jason Spezza, Michael Gabrowski. Another auto coming up, Michael Raffle of the Flyers, a jersey auto. Andrew Ladd. This is unreal. Claude Giroux, Ryan Kessler, Kari Ramo. Another auto, Anders Lee out of the Islanders. And Jamie Benn. Carey Price, Tuukka Rask, Tanner Pearson, Nicholas Svedberg Prism, and Ben Bishop. I think we got a thick one. What do you think? Sergei Bobrovsky, David Backes. You sure about that? Here we go. Alex Ovechkin stick, and doesn't look like a jersey. And 27 of 99. Not sure if that could be a glove. Awesome. Nate McKinnon, hot rookie. Jaromir Jagr and Luke Gazdic. Joe Thornton, Sam Gagner, Kari Ramo, Reto Berra Prism, and Ryan Getzlaf. Nicholas Backstrom, Pekka Rinne, Corey Schneider, Jeff Skinner, rookie 61 of 100. And Corey Crawford. Brian Campbell, Braden Holtby, Tom Wilson, and looks like Tom Wilson's twin, an autographed dual jersey. And Yuri Hoodler. Shea Weber, Mike Camilleri, Adam Almquist, Refractor, Nathan Gerby, and Shane Doan. Another amazing box. One more to go. Coming out here, Eric Carlson, Gabe Landeskog, Steve Downey. Looking like a sweet pull. Connor Murphy, auto jersey. And Corey Perry. Antti Niemi, Jamie Benn, Vali Nichushkin, Louis Eriksson, and Henrik Lundqvist. Uh-oh, look what we got. Nugent Hopkins, Henrik Sedin, Xavier Ouellet, and Jamie Oleksiak auto patch jersey out of 50. And Patrick Kane. Mike Fisher, Chris Letang, Oli Mata, Rhea Hayes, Drew Doughty. Pacioretty, Iginla, Michael Dalzotto Refractor, Michael Bournival, and Mike Richards. Ryan Suter, Zchara, another hot rookie of McKinnon, Clark MacArthur Select, and Corey Schneider. This one's a little heavy. Could it be another big one? Let's see. Jeff Skinner, Brad Richards, Matt Duchene, Tom Wilson, and Mammoth Thomas Jerko jersey. Mike Smith, Connor Murphy, Patrick Marleau, Taylor Hall, Jamie Devane, and a rookie gear Alex Jalkenyuk out of 50. Daniel Sedin, Drew Stafford, Jacob Silverberg, Kari Lehtinen, and a Michael Latta Select Auto. Last pack. Have we seen it all? Nicholas Kronwall, Joffrey Lupul, Jacob Markstrom. Here comes a Ryan Clough score signature. And Andrei Pavlicek, Once again, awesome. Thank you. Really cool cards. And we hope to do another break for you again. These will all get shipped out together. Once again, thank you, hockeyfoo, very much.